little friends, it's Abby. Welcome to my coloring show. Today we will color and learn the letter V. Let's start coloring. I'm gonna start by using red for coloring the letter V. I use red for volcano magma. Volcano is a word that starts with the letter V. V volcano. Also, I use red for coloring a tomato. Tomato is a vegetable. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. And vegetable is another word that starts with the letter V. V vegetables. Then I use an orange for coloring a carrot. Carrot is a very healthy and delicious vegetable. I'm going to use purple for coloring an eggplant. Eggplant is another vegetable. Then I'm going to use two different shades of green for coloring carrot leaves, broccoli, and salad. Now we know that carrots, tomatoes, eggplants, and broccoli are vegetables. V violin. The violin is a musical instrument with strings. I use light blue for coloring the letter V. Then I use deep blue color and purple. Finally, I use brown for a volcano. Great job! Today we learned about the letter V. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!